Bubble pizza, fast dinner everyone will love.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 1 pound of ground beef. And I also added a couple of sausage links, Italian sausage links with the casings removed. And you're going to fry the beef and the sausage up together in a skillet. And I cooked until it wasn't pink anymore, and I broke it up with a spatula as it was cooking to make sure the pieces were nice and small. To this I added 2 cans of pizza sauce, and I added 2 7-ounce cans, but of course you can just add a 14-ounce can if you'd like. Stirred that in. I also added some extra Italian seasonings, about 2 teaspoons worth. Now if you don't want to put sausage in this, you can just use ground beef. If you'd like, just use 1.5 pounds. I stirred this around until it was combined, and I set that aside. You'll need 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits. And is there anyone else out there hate opening these stupid things that just kind of pop on you all of a sudden? I know, I hate these cans. Take the biscuits out of the cans, and you're going to cut them into 4 pieces. And I'm using a clean pair of kitchen scissors that I only use for this kind of thing. And sprinkle the pieces of biscuit in the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that has been well greased. Then pour the beef and sausage mixture on top. Spread it around a little bit so that's more or less even. And then you're going to top it with whatever you love on your pizza. So I put some pepperoni slices. And then you could also add some bacon to this. I also added some freshly sliced mushrooms, but you could use canned mushrooms as well. And I decided to throw some diced red onion, and then finally a few chopped up sweet yellow peppers. And then you're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, take it out, and you're going to sprinkle it with about a cup of shredded cheese. I used a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. And then put it back in the oven for another 5 to 10 until the cheese is nicely melted and bubbly. And when you look at the sides of the pan, the biscuits should look brown, like they're done. You don't want them to be doughy. And there it is, just out of the oven. Let it stand 10 minutes or so before you scoop it up onto plates. This is delicious. It has a great pizza flavor. My husband said it reminded him of a kind of a strange lasagna. It was lasagna-like. And I guess because of the ground beef with the sauce, it gave them the idea of lasagna. Max asked for seconds, and he told me that I should make this again sometime. So this is a winner. It's a nice, fast, delicious dinner. I love recipes that use crescent rolls and refrigerated biscuits. I don't know why, I just do. I have a whole bunch of them on a playlist. So if you want to check them out, you might find something that you may want to make for dessert or maybe for dinner. Thanks for watching.